KNW stock analysis. This is next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this for me, the video till the end to find out. Looking at no labs. Honestly, I like this bullish market, you know. Nobody kind of covers, whoa, it's 205% up on Friday. That's sick. That's decent. So how am I going to act upon this? Well, I'm here to make money. It's my responsibility. So I'm looking to double down and milk it more. Now, I've done 41,000 videos. It's taken me 5 years of seeing what's making me money and what's not. Unironically, KNW, unless I do see it giving me like the pull down and the confirmation, I'm not going to look to take it further up whatsoever. So if there's no such thing as a pull down and a double break, then I'm not going to be looking to buy. And yeah, that's ultimately how KNW is looking like. So if you do want to learn how making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. But yeah, other than that, man, like I do have KNW here in the Discord as well covered. So see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.